Now, this is a power IC. This one is a power IC, and you want to remove it. This one, you don't have any problem to put paste on top of it. Sawa. But the trick is just the same. Do not hit other components that you don't want to remove. Like for instance, we should not hit this IC. So we are going to concentrate our heat around this power IC. And it is advisable if you put it away from other major ICs. We are going to remove this power IC, and I want us to observe how it is done. Okay. Alright, watch how I'm doing it. You put your tweezer a little and try to flicker it. If it wiggles, it is ready. If it does not, it is not ready. You can also try by adjusting the nearest component and figuring out whether it is ready for removal. Now we are here, and I've just removed the IC like that one with one go. You see? With one go. I can't reuse this IC without reballing. Now that is the advantage of being quick, fast, and experienced. You see this one? I can use it without reballing. But as for you, oh my God, I know it is going to be some task. Okay? That is how you remove the IC. Let me clean that surface. That is our tomorrow's lesson. Observe how I'm putting the paste. Here, hapo unaweka surface to me. Make sure your soldering wick is clean. Make sure your soldering gun is clean. And hot. Not only hot, very hot. Now here, observe. Observe how I'm going to remove excess paste here. This one is leaving behind so much dirt because the paste is not clean. It's not clean at all. So, I have already removed it and cleaned my surface. Now I'm going to mount this IC. I'm going to mount. I've said I've just. Now we have to match the pattern. We have to match the pattern. Observe this side, this one. So which one corresponds to that one? Definitely it is this. This. Like this. Isn't it so? Like this? No, it is not like this. Let us see which ones will correspond to that one. There are so many, and I believe it is like this. Because you have space here that is going to capture this. Another one here. Really? No, not again. No. This is the problem of not taking note of the direction or orientation. I believe it is this way. It is this way. Okay? It is this way. Observe here 1, 2, 1, 2. So this one is going to slip this way. Observe here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, not 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this one is going this way. Observe here, there is a pin missing here, here it's corresponding to that. So this is the correct format, and I am going to return it. But remember, you're supposed to reball it for an accurate mounting. Not visible. Like that. And we have some direction, okay, some outline here and another one there. So this is how you test whether it has entered the right way. You try flickering or pushing it. If it comes back by itself, it's on the right track. If it does not, there is a problem. this. That. So that one, I want you to take note of. I want you to take note of these outlines here and here. I should not push it. Take note of what? This one here and this one. So it is out of range. Let me. Yeah, that's the correct solution. Okay? So, mna practice nini ingine?